Hi guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to a new vlog. So this is a first on this channel. I had some overripe bananas and I decided to have a little play around and try my hands at baking. You guys know I am no chef. I am not good at baking at all. So I thought, why not? Let me just give it a go and see how it turns out. When other people are doing it, it seems so easy. But yeah, let's do this together. I'm not sure if I have, well, actually, I know for a fact I don't have all the ingredients here. So I am just gonna use what I have and hope for the best. So I'm gonna go in with my overripe bananas. They smell really sweet, so that gives me hope. And I'm going to go in with a couple of eggs. Next, I go in with some vegetable oil. Give it a mix. And then some milk. Give it a stir. And that's it for my wet ingredients. Let's put that to the side. And for my dry ingredients, I have some sugar. I am also going to go in with some baking powder. Half a teaspoon of that. And equal amounts of salt. And for my flour, I'm going to do 2 cups. Oops. So this process is supposed to make the flour quite fluffy. Well, to make the muffins quite fluffy at the end. I should have gone with a bigger bowl for this one. Alright, so I'm going to mix the dry ingredients now. Give that a good mix. And now for the easy part, you just mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. I'll do that slowly. I think I'm going to add some more milk because when I look at the consistency of this dough online, it's supposed to be quite runny, but it seems a little on the thick side. So I'm just going to add a touch more milk. Mix that in, and that should be ready to put in the tray. Right, so I'm gonna do this cupcake tray, and I'm gonna layer up with the little cupcake cups. So I have some pink ones, some green ones, and some blue ones. I've had these for like forever, but like I said, I don't really bake, so I've never really put them to use. So I am really hopeful. So if you don't have these, you can still just use your tray as is. All you just got to do is butter it up or spray some oil so that your cupcakes don't stick to the bottom. So here is my butter, and this is the consistency. Pretty runny, so fingers crossed. So since I have quite a bit left over, I'm gonna use that to do an actual loaf. So I'm just gonna go in the tray with some butter. Just to make sure it doesn't stick to the sides. And dust it up with a little bit of flour. Like so. So that is that. And then just pour in the rest. So it's not very much, it's not going to be like a massive loaf, but yeah. Oh, they are rising! Can you see? Can you see? Oh. They actually have a little dome shape. I'm a baker now. I'm going to open my pastry shop. Here is the end result. I see people do this, dig their knives in there. That is so cool. Let's try and get one out. Ooh, it is so soft, you guys. Oh, wow. It's cooked through the middle. I am so happy. Oh, wow. There we go, guys. I didn't measure anything. It was all eyeballing everything, and they've turned out well. I am super excited. I'm going to make myself a nice cup of tea and enjoy these. But yeah, hopefully for somebody out there who is trying to figure out their way around the kitchen when it comes to baking, hopefully you get something out of this. Next time I think we'll try maybe some chocolate chip or some blueberries or, you know, little pizzazz. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please do the usual, like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.